You can see it cannot detect the paper tray anymore. No matter if I open or close the paper tray, one of the printer leg is missing. There's only one leg that's important. That's what I call the pointy leg. It's like a pointy. If you see from the top, it will be on your left. The other leg, the head is kind of flat. I call it a flat head. If I flip it over, the pointy leg should be on your right. Let me get a good one to show you. On the bottom is on your right. On the top is on your left. I'll put the printer upside down and then I slide open the paper tray. Take a closer look. You can see where the leg broke off. Kind of stem of the leg. Again, the groove of the new leg should line up with the grid perfectly. Now you can get some piece of tapes. Make sure everything is flush. Then you can close the paper tray. Make sure the paper tray inserts smoothly. When the problem is solved and you close the paper tray, it should show you this paper selection menu.